In the early 1900s, at the edge of the American coastline, two brothers dared to chase what many believed impossible. Their audacious dream was to achieve powered flight, a feat that had eluded humanity for centuries and was widely considered an insurmountable challenge. This is the story of Orville and Wilbur Wright, two pioneering men whose ingenuity and unwavering determination ultimately lifted humanity from the ground into the sky. Their incredible journey forever altered our perspective, propelling us into a new era of exploration and boundless possibility. For centuries, dreamers across the globe yearned to conquer the skies. From Leonardo da Vinci's visionary sketches to gliders crashing against hillsides, the profound dream of human flight seemed perpetually out of reach. Many attempts ended in failure, reinforcing its perceived impossibility for mankind.
But in Dayton, Ohio, two brothers running a humble bicycle shop believed the answer wasn't fantasy, but rigorous engineering. They were convinced that with careful design, observation, and practical application, the age-old dream of flight could finally be realized through scientific principles and meticulous effort.
Wilbur and Orville Wright were not scientists by formal education. Instead, they were self-taught, brilliant problem solvers, master craftsmen, and relentless, methodical thinkers. Their innate understanding of mechanics and analytical approach to challenges set them apart in their pursuit of aviation. Their father encouraged curiosity and independent thought, fostering an environment of exploration. This nurturing upbringing, combined with their shared childhood fascination with intricate mechanical devices, profoundly shaped their future endeavors and their unique, innovative approach to invention and discovery.
Operating their bicycle shop provided invaluable practical experience. They meticulously honed their understanding of balance, control, and precision, fundamental principles that would prove absolutely critical. These insights directly informed the revolutionary design and successful operation of the world's first practical flying machine.
To rigorously test their innovative glider designs and gather crucial data, the brothers traveled to a remote stretch of land, Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. This isolated location on the Outer Banks was specifically chosen for its unique environmental conditions, ideal for their ambitious experiments in flight. Kitty Hawk was renowned for its consistent, strong winds and expansive, soft sand dunes, making it an ideal natural laboratory for aeronautical experimentation. However, life in this desolate coastal outpost was far from easy, presenting numerous daily challenges to their unwavering resolve. Relentless swarms of mosquitoes, fierce coastal storms, and profound isolation from civilization constantly tested their physical endurance and mental resolve. Yet, through sheer grit and an unyielding belief in their mission, they persisted, never wavering in their pursuit. By 1903, after years of meticulous research, glider tests, and iterative design, the Wright brothers began assembling their groundbreaking powered aircraft. This machine, a culmination of relentless efforts, was unlike anything the world had ever witnessed, a monumental leap in engineering. Facing the absence of a suitable engine, they ingeniously designed and built their own lightweight, four-cylinder gasoline engine. Furthermore, they meticulously carved their propellers with unprecedented mathematical precision, treating them as rotating wings to maximize thrust efficiency. Their entire approach was a testament to scientific rigor, not mere guesswork or blind experimentation. Every component, calculation, and design choice was rooted in a deep understanding of aerodynamics and mechanics, representing true innovation grounded firmly in empirical science.
December 17, 1903, a sharp, icy wind swept across the desolate Kitty Hawk dunes. After months of frustrating setbacks, countless repairs, and relentless effort, the Wright brothers stood poised. Their revolutionary machine was finally ready for its historic attempt.
History was waiting, unknowingly, for this pivotal moment. At precisely 10:35 a.m., with profound purpose and quiet determination, Orville Wright carefully positioned himself at the controls of the flyer, ready to make his indelible mark on human achievement. With a surge of power, the Wright flyer smoothly rolled down its wooden launching rail, gathering speed. Then, with an almost ethereal grace, it lifted into the air, defying gravity. For a breathtaking, unforgettable 12 seconds, humanity soared, leaving the solid Earth behind, a moment etched in history. This short flight, covering only 120 feet, was a monumental achievement, marking the dawn of a new era for mankind. Later that same day, the brothers conducted 3 additional flights, each progressively longer and more controlled, pushing their invention further. The culmination of their efforts that day was a remarkable final flight, piloted by Wilbur, covering an impressive 852 feet and lasting 59 seconds. With this undeniable success, the age of aviation had not just begun, it had been definitively ushered in, forever changing human history. From the first 12 seconds in Kitty Hawk, the audacious vision of the Wright brothers ignited a chain reaction of innovation. Their pioneering spirit paved the way for commercial air travel, supersonic jets, and ultimately, even monumental moon missions, profoundly reshaping the nation and the world. Every airplane that graces our skies, every skilled pilot, and every skyward dream of future exploration traces its fundamental roots back to these 2 extraordinary brothers. Through sheer intellect, perseverance, and an unwavering refusal to surrender to what others deemed impossible, they gifted humanity the wings to fly.